Alright, so it looks like Smooth Love Potion is trying to find support at this green box yet again. You can see back here when we found support out of it, we found a pretty decent move to the upside. And if we take a price range from this bottom to this top, you can see it was about 90%. That isn't a great thing that we have undone all this price action back here in a matter of a week. But you can see that we've had so many red days to the downside that we're going to need at least somewhat of a relief rally. Now back here you can see that the EMA spread was a lot wider, so it was kind of offering us some resistance before we broke through it. Here it's actually very thin, so if we do manage to kind of come up to the top of this box where the EMA ribbon is, we could very well just blow through it to the upside. At that point we'd be encountering the Ichimoku cloud yet again. And as you can see here, as well as here, it causes us to shoot all the way back down to the spring box. Now, since the cloud is getting thinner, we could very well have a higher likelihood of breaking it to the upside, especially if it manages to kind of consolidate and then move up over here. So in my opinion, Smooth Love Potion kind of needs to break out of this pretty quickly, especially if this red cloud starts to get wider. If we consolidate in this zone up until here, the cloud is something like this, we could very well find resistance off of it. You can actually see here, if we take a Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, that we are currently finding support off the 618 as well at the very bottom of this green box. So if we do see a bounce from here, we really need to break the EMA ribbon to the upside, which I don't really think is going to be much of a problem considering it's pretty small. And our next stop would be this Ichimoku cloud. We need to start trading within it again, as well as breaking this high back here. And if we do manage to break this high to the upside and kind of maybe retest it, starts forming a stair step pattern to the upside, something like this would probably be the best bet for Smooth Love Potion instead of these radical upswings like this. This one was a little bit better, but still we had some pretty large daily candles here. If you look at the SLP issuance here, you can actually see it looks like we are reducing the amount of coins that are being minted into the ecosystem, which could be a good sign, especially if we start burning more coins, not necessarily burning more than we are minting, but if the burn rate starts to increase while the mint rate starts to decrease, this could be a very good sign for Smooth Love Potion. And if we can't manage to find support in this range between the green box and the 618 on the fib, we could very well sweep this low again around under a cent. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so as I try to post content daily. As always, this isn't financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.